3 months to financial abundance, the roadmap in 5 steps, how to make more money only in 90 days. This is what I'm going to share with you. My name is Martine Wilkie, and I'm coaching women since 30 years, helping them to find their purpose. And I'm going to share with you this 5 step. Yes, it's possible with this 5 step to make more money in 3 months. The first step is stop running after money. It's funny, eh? I talk about make more money in 3 months, and I'm saying to you, stop to run after money. And I'm going to explain why. Stop to try to copy all people in the internet and YouTube that tell you how to make money with affiliate, with Amazon, with online courses, with all kind of idea and strategies. And you need to realize that you're not gifted for everything and all this idea. And I know that a lot of people for years, they can spend and waste their life trying to just make money, and they're miserable. You can make money, but you don't like your life. You want to make more money to be rich, but to be happy with your money and to enjoy to make money. This is my point. Stop to try to copy all kind of stuff, running after money, and find your zone of genius. That's bring me to the second point. Find your zone of genius. And after that, you can go and find the example on the internet of people that are doing the same thing according to your zone of genius. You have something. Oh yes, everybody on this planet has a zone of genius, something that is different, something that is easy for you, that is not easy for others, something that you experience in your life, that you have a gift, and this dominant gift will connect with all your other gifts. And when you find your zone of genius, you will be so happy because every day you're going to wake up, you know you're at the right place. This is why you need to realize that in your life. You need to find your zone of genius, where is maybe simple for you, easy for you. You don't understand why other people, this is not easy. Why they don't catch that? You have your zone of genius. When you find that, you start to invest in that, you're going to start to make money. The third step, when you find your zone of genius, invest in 2 things. Your expertise, your zone of genius, to become the best of the best. I'm French, la crème de la crème. Often in life, we remember the best and the worst. We never remember the second, the third, the fourth. We remember the first position and the last one, the loser. You become the best, and you're going to be well known for your difference, well known for what you have to offer, well known for your difference and your expertise. You're going to have to give time maybe to have a job. You work on yourself. You're paid to become better. Yes, maybe for a time you exchange time for money, but you're paid to learn. And if you have this mindset, you don't have the mindset of slaves. I work for my boss. No, what can I learn in this season of my life to become the best? This is going to make a huge change. And secondly, you have to invest in your mindset. Because often, because of your belief system, what you limited belief, it's going to limit your zone of genius. You need to invest in your mindset about success, because you are the placebo of what you received from generation, from your childhood, from your environment. You are locked, you're blocked to a certain level because of what you receive. If you want to change the level of your finances, you need to invest in your mindset to change your belief. You can have financial abundance in 3 months. I'm telling you, with the right coaching, the right investment in your expertise and your mindset. And this is my 4th step. You need to find what is the law of demand according to your zone of genius. You have to learn what the people want from you, not what you want for them, but what do they want from you. And then you can use your zone of genius to offer the right offer. What do they want from you? You need to package your zone of genius with the perfect offer that is irresistible. You package your offer. This is why your zone of genius, it's something you can offer to this generation. And when you learn how to package this zone of genius, you gonna make money and money fast. The last point that is very important is use the right tools. You can have a zone of genius. You know your zone of genius. You know the law of demand. But if you don't know how to market your zone of genius, you don't know how to package and to use the right tool to make you visible, then the 7 billion of people on this planet, they're not going to know that you have this zone of genius that is an answer for their life and they can pay for your offer. You need the right tools and the right people to help you to package, because obscurity is poverty. Hey, just a quick invitation. Join us right now in a private community of women, Empowered Her Network, where you're going to receive coaching every day, video, audio, support, in a community of women that want to have success. It's an exclusive app. You can click on the link below, download our app, join the private community, and you're going to receive so much that you can live your life by design and increase your finances. And when I started to realize my zone of genius and to learn how to package it, my life completely changed. From social worker to become millionaire, the same woman, the same gift, but just knowing my value, the result I provide, and how to package it and offer it, and how to market myself, that changed everything. You can learn that. This is what we're doing with our clients. All our clients come to us, we find their zone of genius. It's not if you have, you have. You have a zone of genius. And this is what we start with. We find the zone of genius. Some people, all their life, they were seeking for that, asking for that, not knowing about it. And this is the most important things in your life, is to fulfill the real reason of your existence. Not having a job, to fulfill the real reason of your existence, your call, your mission, your purpose. Your zone of genius is directly linked to your purpose. Then the fact that our clients invest in our coaching, in the mindset, at the same time concept strategies, and at the same time the marketing plan of action and structure and putting in action all of that, then you accelerate the result. In 3 months, all of our clients, their life change. From their investment to the result, they start to make so much more money. The financial abundance just is unlocked in their life and things just turn around. Then hope this video helped you, and you have to invest in yourself. You have to apply this 5 steps. In 3 months, you can change everything. If you're very committed, you're very decided, you're going to change everything. Then if you want more, we have more. Click on the link below. We have some free webinar, and you have a free community for women that want to be empowered. Join us right now. I bless you, and see you in the next video.